The LYNX TOUCH-MSD attaches to the Wi-Fi connector, which is located on the speaker side of the panel. Before connecting the update module, please make sure that the panel is powered down completely and any existing Wi-Fi module is removed. Insert the update module into the Wi-Fi slot on the speaker side of the panel. Once this is done, reconnect the battery and close the panel. The tamper must be secure for the update to work properly. Press and hold the home button on the panel as you power it up. Keep holding this button until you see "Press Home Key to Return" on the display. At this point, you can release the home button. Press the home button once more. A menu will populate with a key legend at the bottom of the screen. Using the panic button, scroll down, highlight the update option, then press the home button to accept. Using the panic button again, scroll down, highlight File System, and press the home button to accept. Press the panic button to continue with the panel conversion. Lastly, use the panic button to scroll down and highlight the line that shows the update file. It will look similar to this. Press the home button to start the update. Please be patient as the update can take a few minutes. Once the update is complete, the screen will display "Press Home Key to Return." After pressing this, the system will ask once more to press the home key to return. Press the home button again. Now, you can power down your panel and remove the update module. Once removed, reconnect the battery and the Wi-Fi module if it was previously installed, then power back up. To verify that the software was updated successfully, select Security from the home screen of the panel. Next, select More. Select Tools. Enter the 4-digit master code of the panel. Lastly, select Test. The top line on this screen shows the current software version of the panel.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and click the Show More tab underneath the video, where you can view valuable links pertaining to this product, similar how-to videos, and our low-cost, no-contract alarm monitoring services.